This 2024 Winnebago Access 28FK is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 32 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, slide-out, auxiliary battery, microwave, spare tire kit, LP detector, external shower, water heater, awning, stovetop burner, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front dinette, front entertainment, front kitchen, front living area, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear dinette, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Winnebago Access 28FK is 6,790 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.